Something broke your PC and you have no idea why? Before you panic or reinstall Windows, there's a powerful built-in tool that can turn back time without deleting your files. It's called System Restore, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Think of System Restore as Windows Time Machine. It lets you roll your system back to a previous working state. It does this by creating restore points, snapshots, if you will, of your system files, registry, drivers, and some apps. When something goes wrong, you can roll Windows back to one of the earlier points. Your personal files, like documents, photos, and videos, aren't affected. They stay safe while your system gets repaired. To access System Restore, open the Start menu and type Create a Restore Point in the search box. Or use the Run command by pressing the Win+R keys, type sysdm.cpl, and press Enter. Once inside the System Properties window, ensure the System Protection tab is visible. This tab controls System Restore. Here you'll see your drives and whether protection is turned on. For System Restore to work, protection must be enabled on your system drive, usually C. Select the drive and click Configure to control how System Restore works. The top of the Configure window gives you options to turn system protection on or off. Below that, the max usage slider controls how much disk space Windows can use for restore points. 3 to 5% of your total disk space is a good balance here. When the space fills up, older restore points are deleted automatically. If you ever wanted to delete all the restore points and start fresh, you can do so manually by clicking the Delete button. But be careful here. This can't be undone. Windows automatically creates restore points before updates, driver installs, and major system changes, but you can create a restore point manually anytime you like. Click Create from the System Protection window and give it a descriptive name and then click Create again. Windows will take a snapshot of your current system state. Now, let's see how to roll your system back. Click System Restore to open the wizard. This is where you will choose which restore point you want to go back to. The wizard may suggest a recommended restore point. You can use that, or choose a different restore point to see all available options. This is useful if you know roughly when the problem started. After you've selected your restore point, click Scan for affected programs. This step shows which apps and drivers will be removed or restored. Anything installed after this restore point may be removed, and some previously removed items may come back. This step is optional, but it's a good practice so you aren't faced with unpleasant surprises. Once you've chosen a restore point and reviewed the changes, click Next to go to the confirmation window and click Finish. Windows will restart and apply the restore. This can take several minutes, and your PC may reboot more than once. When it's done, you'll see a message confirming that System Restore completed successfully. So, what's the verdict here? On the benefit side, System Restore is great for quickly undoing bad updates, drivers, or system tweaks. It's much lighter than resetting your PC, and it leaves your personal files alone. It can also create restore points automatically during major system events. But System Restore isn't perfect. It's not a backup solution. You will still need proper backups for your files. On some systems, protection is disabled by default, so you have to turn it on manually. And because it can remove apps or drivers installed after the restore point, you may need to install a few things. And there you have it. The best practice here is to keep system protection turned on, allocate enough disk space, create a restore point before making major changes, and combine System Restore with a full backup solution. Be sure to explore this tool to find out what works best for you. Thanks for joining me, and tune in again when we do another Wander Through Windows. Don't forget, check out the next video above, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.